Telling me to not take photos is like telling me not to live, pretty much. I'm about to get ready. I'm going to go take some photos because I'm going to utilize my time being out in the snow. So I've already slicked my hair back and put it in like 2 little pigtails. I'm gonna put a wig on today because I just need my head to be warm. I'm gonna start my skincare process and then we'll get ready. I'm putting on this infamous hair outre Lynette wig. I've worn this plenty of times. It's a little stiff, so we're gonna revive her. This is what I do to bring my wigs back. It's just dry shampoo from Not Your Mother's. It like takes a lot of the shine away too. Do y'all see that? Just boom. She's brand new, baby. I'm just using my True Edge control. This stuff works really good on my hair. And we're gonna get to this face. Y'all, Y2K sent me a PR package. How cute is this freaking box? But wait a second. It has fur oil in here. So they sent me their brow blade, which absolutely love and adore this. But this is new. This is the big brush brow and the slick day brow. So it's a styling gel, and then this is a volumizing building tinted gel with hold. This is pretty dope. I think I really like this. I think that's what I enjoy the most about this, because this comb is so fine. This is like, you can seriously get the perfect brows with this. I am going in with my cream blush first. I feel that blush is the center focus of cold girl makeup, so I use that and then build around it. So I'm going in with some concealer from Armani. And then I'm taking the Armani foundation. I really do love the way these sit on my skin. It's very lightweight and it doesn't feel like I have a lot on. Now I'm going in with the Thread complexion stick. I love, love, love these things. They're so universal. You can use them for so many things. Now I'm just going in with the leftover blush that I used earlier, and I'm putting it all over my eyes to give me like that really bruised I'm cold look. And then I take a little bit of the Milani concealer and I'm using this to brighten my inner corner. Once I've blended that out, I'm now going in with my setting powder from Beauty Bakery. I really love this one because of how fine powdery it is, and it gives me a very nice matte look, which is what you need for the cold girl makeup look. Now I'm applying my About Face eyeliner. I'm mainly focusing the eyeliner on the outer part of my eye and the inner corner as well. To set my blush and bronzer, I'm using the Marc Jacobs palette. I am just packing that blush on because baby, we definitely need to make sure we look like we're cold. I'm taking this really, really white, bright highlight shade, and I'm focusing this in the center of my eyes, and then I just blend it up into my lid a little bit. I'm applying it on my nose and the bridge of my nose. In my opinion, you can't have a cold girl look without white eyeliner. This one is from About Face, and then I just go in with some mascara. I'm going in with velours lashes. I like to apply my glue to my lid because I know my lashes stick 10 times better that way. For my lip liner, I'm using the MAC Cork. I really just love how this lip liner makes any color lipstick blend into my lips. Like, look at this bright pink. Now I'm just going in with some setting spray and letting that dry down. Moving on to the outfit, I kind of was going for a Y2K bimbo mob wife aesthetic outfit, but as you know, I'm a thrifting girly, so I had to incorporate my thrifted pieces. Now I'm just going in with my leg warmers. I'm using them as arm warmers because I didn't have the energy to buy arm warmers. And now I'm just throwing on a scarf to cover my chest because it is going to be a little chilly. And then I'm putting on my little headband, my furry headband that matches my cuffs on my arm and my boot cuffs. So guys, this is the full fit. I'm gonna break everything down now. The gloves are Steve Madden. This cuffs, the hat, and the boot covers are from Amazon. The tights and the tights and like the lacy tights are from Walmart. These are from Amazon. The boots are from TJ Maxx. The jacket is from Boohoo. The lace and the lace top and the shirt, it's literally a shirt that I wore as a skirt. Those two are thrifted. And this little scarf, I think it's a scarf. I've worn it as a skirt before too, but it's thrifted as well. That's everything. Let's go take some photos. So I found a spot, guys, to take photos. Oh shit. This snow is pretty deep. Oh, I think this little spot right here is super cute. It's nothing dramatic, but it's snow, you know? This is not as easy as people make it seem, guys, okay? This is a one-woman show, and this woman works very hard. Alrighty, we're in business. Let's get these photos taken. Okay, I've got to walk in the same steps so I don't mess up my snow. Let's see what they look like. Oh, these are cute. I need to get closer though. The sun reflecting, baby. She is bright. A trick that helps me with my photos and getting inspo for poses is looking at Pinterest photos before I go out there, just to kind of get an idea of what other photos look like in that environment. I'm like, once you sit out here long enough in the sun, it's pretty much just, you ain't even cold no more. I mean, I'm not cold. Telling me to not take photos is like telling me not to live, pretty much. Alright guys, that's a wrap. I'll see y'all in my next video. Love you.